hobbies, and we're going to do a image of a friend of mine here. And we got the image right there. Let's open up Bamboo Studio. And we're opening that up now. And a bunch of files in here I don't want, so let's just remove those. A bunch of files I just don't want here. Little maintenance before we start, guys. Okay, so let's go to prepare. Let's go to add image, which is right here. Add image. And we're going to go into screen. Oh, why don't we just drag it in? So here it is right here, the image. Let's drag it in here. Oh, it's way too big. Way too big. So let's just reduce that to 150. And there we go. Got it down to 150. And it looks pretty good. As you touching the plate, he's hollow inside, as you can see from the bottom. And let's pull the screen over and see what's going on here. Let's go to strength. Let's go to infill density is 15. That's good. And let's see, is he supported? He's supported. Good. Because he's got his arm up here like this. Let's look it around. This is an AI image that I took a photo of. And actually the photo was sent to me, but I don't think he'll mind. I'm going to make a little Greg here. Okay, so we got Bamboo X1 carbon textured, nozzle 4. It's going to be about 150 millimeters in height. Let's make them a little bit bigger than that. Let's make them 160. A little bit bigger. So 160, let's figure out what 160 is. Bear with me, guys. It's about 6 inches. That's good. So we want to slice them. Excuse me, I got a cough here, guys. And we're going to print him out as soon as this slices. And I will show you the image afterwards. Probably do some painting too. Hand painting, that is. And let's send it to the printer. 3, and we're sending it off to the printer now. And this will be continued afterwards, so hang in there. Okay. So we got the model here, and it's all done. And got to fill in some texturing there with some putty. And it looks pretty good. Got some painting to do. We'll see that in the short, so don't worry about that. Here it looks good. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye for now.